I don't know what this is, but you guys, we're going to tie-dye today. I've seen that tie-dye is such a big trend going on right now, and I've especially seen so many tie-dye things on TikTok. I've seen so many people a lot of people on TikTok tie-dye. Grab a few shirts, get some bleach, let's tie-dye. How many times can I say that? I grabbed 3 items from my wardrobe. Also, throw on a shirt that you don't care if it gets bleach on it. This shirt already has bleach on it from cleaning my shower, so we're good to go. I here have a graphic tee. Just wait till I realize that you don't use bleach to tie-dye a white t-shirt. I've been smarter. That just has washed funny, so I have an old sweatshirt. I have like multiple ones of this, so. And then I just have a simple black tee. I own like 47 of these, so let's get started. I don't really know exactly how to do this. I'm just gonna go off of what I've seen and hope that they turn out. I am gonna start off by taking a trash bag and laying it down over my counter for when we use the bleach. You're supposed to wet the shirt first, or whatever you're doing, you're supposed to wet it first and then wring it out. Ooh, this feels like I'm doing Amish laundry. Woo! This is what lockdown has come to, you guys. Now we need to twist them and we need rubber bands. I don't have rubber bands. Do you think I could use hair ties? Okay, in the bathroom I only have these little clear hair ties. Oh, these can work, right? I wring out the rest of the water again, so it's damp again. Now, for this one, I think I'm just gonna start in the middle and twist it that way. Oh, so it has like that rosy shape. Do you think I could do it without these bands? I'm gonna do this one without the bands. With the sweatshirt, I've seen people do sweatshirts in like so many different ways, so I think I need to like, ooh, should I start down here for it? I'm gonna start at the bottom and swirl it up like that. The sleeves do like a little twisty as well. Then have that like this, and then do a little twisty on this arm. White one, black one, gray sweatshirt. Let's do this thing. I'm using just a spray cleaner bleach from Target. Okay, wait. I'm not gonna lie, when I turned 8, I think that's when I did my tie-dye party as a kid. I did one in 3rd grade. Very cool. This is stinky. Oh my God. It's already changing colors. Look at that. Do you see that? Look, it's already changing. That was so quick. I just realized, will white not work since you use white to bleach white things? That was really stupid, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. I don't know what I thought I was doing with that, but maybe it'll bleach the graphic on the front. All right. Why did I think that was gonna do something? Using my brain is something I'm not doing in lockdown apparently, so. All right, let's wait our 20-30 minutes. What time is it? 12:44. Let's wait and see what happens. Guys, I found this bleach and there's a little bit left. I feel like nothing's really happening, so I'm gonna pour some of this on these and then flip them over. I just wanna do it really gentle though. Oh God. I think if I just go like this and just carefully slide this under, but it'll just flip. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. I hope that works better. I mean, look, it's already turning orange, so this one's finally getting some color. Though, this is what happens when you're someone like me that doesn't like to read instructions. I just wing it. It takes a second round, but that's okay. You know what? It's gonna be even cuter now. It's time to put these in the wash. I've been smelling fumes for like an hour. Let's wash these. Carrying it over. 1, 2, 3. You guys, big reveal. Oh my gosh, okay, this is going. I'm washing other clothes, but you guys. How does it feel? Oh, let's try these on. Here's the t-shirt. Woo! Look how cute this is. I think I want to crop this. I think I'll just go about here. I want to crop her, but I don't want to get too short, so we'll do, maybe I'll do here. I'm just guessing, honestly. What, Ellie? Yay! Okay, yeah, the cropped version, so much cuter. Like, are you kidding? You like it? You don't like it? You want one too? Gosh, here's the sweatshirt. This is cute. I like this one. This one reminds me of like tiger stripes for some reason. Oh my gosh, she's cute. Ooh. I like her a lot. This was the one I was obviously the most excited about because I'm a big sweatshirt girl. It's got a lot of bleach. So this is the one that I started twirling down here. Then did I do a twirl up here as well? I can't remember where the other twirl was. This worked out, you guys. I'm so excited. If you want to see other videos like this where we are turning clothes that we already have into something else, let me know because I'd love to do that for you. If you make some tie-dye clothes, you bleach your clothes, do actual tie-dye with actual dye on a white shirt, let me know because I want to see them. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this. This was so much fun to do. Gave me something to do during lockdown. Ooh, I love you and I will see you hopefully very soon. Mwah! Bye guys.